Hello everyone, my name is Tracy Talgan and today I'm going to be drawing a floral wreath. If you want to, you can write something in the space in the middle of that wreath, or you can leave it empty. I'm using 140-pound cold press watercolor paper because I may want to paint this doodle later on. I'm also using a pencil, an eraser, a compass, or if you don't have a compass, you can use any kind of container that will be the size of the doodle that you'd like to do. I'm also using a permanent black pen. It is not a felt tip fine liner pen because my watercolor paper will damage the nib. I drew a circle with my compass and then I started my doodle. Now I'm not going to walk you through each flower here. They're relatively straightforward. You can pause the video at any point in order to take your time drawing this doodle. I'd like to make an important note that when you get to the inking part of your doodle, if you're right-handed, start inking from the left side of the drawing and work your way towards the right. If you're left-handed, do the opposite. Start working on the right-hand side of the doodle and work your way to the left. That way you won't smudge your lines as you move your hand across the paper, and you won't get as much ink on your hand either. If you've been enjoying this video so far, please like, comment, or subscribe. I do appreciate your interaction and it helps to support my channel greatly. Thank you. I'm going to let you finish watching this pencil sketch and inking process, and I'll get back to you at the end of the video. And this brings us to the end of this doodle drawing. Now you can either leave it black and white, or you can color it in with markers, pencil crayon, or paint. Just make sure to erase all your pencil lines first. You'll want to check out my next video if you enjoyed this circle doodle. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye for now.